everyone, my name is Diego, and this is just a really quick Rhino download tutorial, and let's just get right into it. This is the website, right, that we need to get to. So, rhino3d.com, pretty simple. And then from this main web page, we're going to scroll down to where it says evaluation or one-time student purchase. Now, most of the time, because I'm recording this for the SoCal NOMA Student Bootcamp, we often like to choose the evaluation. So going into the evaluation, after I click onto this, it would give us a quick form, and then so you'll fill out that form real fast, real simple, and then from there, once you finish filling that out, you'll get this one-time evaluation code. Of course, if it hasn't prompted you already, you'll need to sign in with your own email. But after you click agree to this privacy policy, there will be a key that will show up, and then you download the RHINO software. And then after you download that RHINO software, you want to make sure that you keep this license key that pops up. Some of the requirements you should just really keep in mind of, just because it does differ for Windows to Mac, and this is for either if it's for the free version or if it's for the paid version. Now, something that's new to the summer or to the boot camp is the option for a paid version. Now, if we go to back to where we were originally with this round3d.com, and we opt for the one-time purchase, this would be $200, suggesting that you are still a current high school student. Now, let's get into this one. What does this one mean? Um, oh, it's right in the way. There we go. Um, so after clicking that link, I would be taken here. And what this would do is it would be, of course, prompt me to sign in again, but it would bring me to this page. And so it's a whole price breakdown for how much everything is. So currently we have Rhino 8 out, and so that would be $200. Right, but say I already have Rhino 8, right? And I just want to upgrade to like Rhino 9 in the future, or I want to upgrade to something else, right? And then that would be another $100, right? So relatively fair in pricing, I would say, for what you're getting with Rhino. Um, and the way we kind of download this is through, we would scroll down here to the student and faculty order form, right? And so we would go there, and then from here, you would be, okay, so I'm signed into my own account. I already have Rhino, but you would be prompted with a screen that's more similar to this, or I'm sorry, you'd be prompted with a screen that's more similar to this, right? And so you would say like, okay, I want one Rhino 8 educational license, so I'll put that right in there. And then so from there, you'll just click continue, and then you'll fill in all of your proper information and things like that, and then it'll give you the total, and then that's all you need to pay for it. But however, one of the more important things that you need to do is you need to upload so this is different for, since I chose a different one, but what you would need to upload right here is your transcripts. Okay, so you would click the option that says transcripts, and then from here, you would make sure that it has your name, your school, and the day of the current term, and then you would upload that file, and then you would enter your card information, and then you would place the order, and it's that simple, right? So make sure that you have your unofficial transcripts when ordering this Rhino 8 license, because that is one of the ways that they're able to verify, like, hey, you are a student, right? So hope this was helpful. And yeah, I'll see you guys back in the classroom. Bye bye.